How to send videos from iPhone without losing quality. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, open the video you want to send. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Tap on AirDrop. AirDrop is a feature on Apple devices that allows you to quickly and wirelessly share files with nearby Apple devices, like photos, videos, and documents. From here, choose the people you want to share the video with. You can now share this video with them without losing quality. Following these steps, you can easily send video from iPhone without losing quality.